Oh, what should we do today? I know, let's do some armchair archaeology. So, jump out of your chair right now and let's have a hunt around the sitting room for priceless treasures. Just by looking behind the television, it's amazing what you can find. Like this Rediffusion switchbox. Original Rediffusion switchbox. This was in the house before we moved in, so that's got to be early to mid 1980s. Rediffusion was one of, if not the first, British cable television company, and it's still wired up. Wow, what a survivor!